In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of Stoic principles and how they can help you make someone miss you badly. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, teaches us about the importance of self-control, resilience, and understanding our emotions. While it may seem distant from the realm of relationships, Stoic principles can provide powerful insights into human connections and the art of longing. Imagine being able to evoke a sense of yearning in someone without playing mind games or resorting to manipulation. By applying Stoic wisdom, you can cultivate an aura of mystery and emotional depth that naturally draws others to you. In this engaging and insightful discussion, we'll explore effective strategies rooted in Stoic philosophy that can help you create that irresistible longing. So, if you're ready to learn how to harness these timeless principles to enhance your relationships and make someone truly miss you, stick around. 1. Understanding. Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy founded in Athens around the early 3rd century BC. It emphasizes the development of self-control, rational thinking, and virtue as a means to achieve a tranquil and fulfilling life. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control while accepting what we cannot. This mindset is particularly relevant in the context of relationships, where emotions can often cloud our judgment. One of the key tenets of Stoicism is emotional control. By practicing rational thinking, we can navigate the ups and downs of relationships with greater clarity and composure. Instead of reacting impulsively to emotional triggers, Stoics encourage us to pause, reflect, and respond thoughtfully. Applying these principles can significantly enhance personal relationships. By fostering emotional resilience and understanding, we create a stable foundation for deeper connections. Ultimately, embracing Stoicism can lead to healthier interactions, allowing us to cultivate relationships that are both meaningful and enduring. 2. The power of absence. Absence can be a powerful catalyst for desire in relationships. Psychologically, when someone is not present, it often triggers a sense of longing and curiosity. This phenomenon is rooted in the idea that we tend to value what we cannot have. When a person is absent, their absence creates a void that can amplify feelings of affection and attachment. For example, think about a time when you were apart from a close friend or partner. The distance may have made you reminisce about shared moments, ultimately deepening your appreciation for them. Similarly, in romantic relationships, a little space can reignite passion and interest, as it allows both individuals to reflect on their feelings and desires. Embracing the concept of strategic absence can be an effective way to enhance emotional connections. By intentionally creating moments of distance, you can foster a sense of longing that keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. So consider how a little absence might just be the key to making someone miss you more than ever. 3. Cultivating independence. Independence is not just a personal virtue. It can also make you more attractive in the eyes of others. When you are self-sufficient and confident in your own abilities, you exude a magnetic energy that draws people in. This sense of independence signals that you are complete on your own, which can be incredibly appealing in any relationship. Pursuing your interests and passions is a vital part of cultivating this independence. Whether it's picking up a new hobby, advancing your career, or exploring new places, engaging in activities that fulfill you not only enriches your life, but also makes you more interesting to others. However, it's essential to strike a balance between independence and connection. While being self-reliant is important, Nurturing relationships is equally vital. By combining your independence with meaningful connections, you create a dynamic where both you and your partner can thrive. This balance fosters a healthy relationship built on mutual respect and admiration, making you even more desirable. 4. Emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is the ability to adapt and bounce back from challenging situations, especially in relationships. It involves maintaining a positive outlook and managing your emotions effectively, even when faced with stress or conflict. Developing this resilience can lead to healthier interactions and deeper connections with others. To cultivate emotional resilience, start by practicing self-awareness. Recognize your emotional triggers and understand how they affect your reactions. This awareness allows you to pause and reflect before responding, rather than reacting impulsively. Additionally, consider techniques such as deep breathing or mindfulness to help you stay grounded during emotionally charged moments. Another key tip is to reframe negative thoughts. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, focus on what you can learn from the experience. This shift in perspective can help you remain calm and composed during interactions, fostering a more constructive dialogue. By developing emotional resilience, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also create a more stable and supportive environment for your relationships to flourish. 5. Effective communication. Communication plays a crucial role in making someone miss you. Meaningful conversations create emotional connections that linger in the mind long after the interaction ends. When you engage in deep discussions, you not only share experiences, but also reveal your thoughts and feelings, making the other person feel valued and understood. Active listening is essential in this process. By genuinely engaging with what the other person is saying, you show that you care about their perspective. This fosters a sense of intimacy that can lead to longing when you're not around. Ask open-ended questions and reflect on their responses to deepen the conversation. Expressing your feelings is important, but it's equally vital to do so without overwhelming the other person. Use simple, heartfelt statements to convey your emotions. For example, saying, "I really enjoyed our time together," or "I miss our talks," can evoke a sense of nostalgia without putting pressure on them. By mastering effective communication, you can create lasting impressions that make someone truly miss you. 6. Creating memorable experiences. Creating lasting memories with your loved ones can significantly strengthen your relationships. Shared experiences foster a sense of connection and intimacy, allowing you to bond over moments that will be cherished for years to come. These memories often become the foundation of your relationship, providing stories and feelings that you can revisit together. To make these memories truly special, consider engaging in unique and memorable activities. Try planning a surprise day trip to a nearby town, taking a cooking class together, or even embarking on an adventure like hiking or kayaking. These experiences not only break the routine, but also create opportunities for laughter and joy. Remember, it's the quality of time spent together that matters most, not the quantity. A few hours of meaningful interaction can have a more profound impact than days filled with distractions. By prioritizing quality time and creating memorable experiences, you'll not only deepen your connection, but also leave a lasting impression that makes your loved ones miss you when you're apart. In this video, we explored how Stoic principles can help you make someone miss you badly. We discussed the importance of emotional resilience, the power of absence, and the value of cultivating independence. By embracing these strategies, you can create deeper connections and evoke a sense of longing in your relationships. Remember, effective communication and creating memorable experiences are also key components in fostering emotional bonds. By applying these Stoic strategies in your own life, you can enhance your relationships and make them more meaningful. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue to explore the art of relationships and personal growth together.